Volume controls on a Chromebook are easy to adjust if you know where to look. Here's what you need to know. First thing is that all the volume controls for both your speakers or headphones and microphone are in the same place. Here's what it looks like. To get there, just click on the time in the lower right corner to open up your settings panel. You can click the mute button to silence the speakers and use the slider to make them louder or softer. To adjust the microphone volume, click on the arrow to the right of the volume slider. Here you see similar controls to increase or decrease the volume of your microphone output. This can be hard to judge without feedback from people hearing you on the other end. Keep the slider in the middle unless people are having a hard time hearing you, and it is not recommended to move the slider beyond 75%. Setting your output higher than this can make you sound distorted and annoy others. Hope you found this helpful. If you ever need any more help with this or other technology issues, just let me know.